These might be the best tacos I've ever made. I didn't expect them to be this good. Start with a hot pan and a little oil. Add your ground beef. Now diced onion. And bell pepper. Cook everything together until soft and fragrant. Add tomato, garlic, salt, pepper, paprika. Finish with some corn for a little sweetness. If you love easy recipes like this, make sure to subscribe. I've got a lot more coming. Now take your tortillas. Fill each one with that juicy meat filling. Place them into a baking dish like this. Top with cheese. And bake until everything is melted and golden. While that's baking, let's make a quick guacamole. A little historical background. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican avocado-based sauce whose history dates back to the Aztecs. The name comes from the Nahuatl language, guacamole, literally meaning avocado sauce. Fresh avocado. Red onion. Garlic. Salt. A squeeze of lime. A bit of tomato for extra freshness. Mix it all together until smooth and creamy. And look at that texture. Now back to the tacos. Melted, crispy, and ready. Add the guacamole right on top. That crunch, the flavor, this is insane. Save this one. You'll want to make it.